Last week I ran an experiment with Pocket Options' copy trading feature. I was curious to see if this could be a viable way to earn money without dedicating a lot of time or effort. My goal? See if someone with limited time could actually make passive income without obsessing over charts. I wanted to test if this system could work for busy professionals like myself. I deposited funds, grabbed a 50% bonus, and set up my account in under 15 minutes. The process was straightforward and user-friendly, even for someone new to trading. Quick reminder before we start. Only with my link below this video, you'll get a 50% bonus on your first deposit. That means if you start with $200, you'll have $300 to trade right away. But this offer is only available through the link below, so make sure to grab it now. Copy trading is simple. You automatically mirror the trades of top professionals. You can choose from a list of successful traders and let their expertise guide your investments. When they profit, you profit. No expertise required. It's like having a seasoned trader making decisions for you, without you having to lift a finger. I let it run for a week, barely checking in. I wanted to see if it could truly be a hands-off experience. After 7 days, I logged in, with $490 net profit. I was pleasantly surprised by the results. There were losses, some traders made bad calls, but overall, the wins far outweighed the losses. The system's ability to recover from setbacks was impressive. The key? Letting a smart system work for you, not against you. Trusting the process and not micromanaging every trade was crucial. I didn't spend hours glued to my screen. Trades happened automatically, profits accumulated passively. It was a true set-and-forget system. This wasn't luck or a fluke. It was a deliberate, low-effort strategy. The system is designed to make smart decisions on your behalf. Copy trading proved to be a real, effective way to generate income. It's a method that can fit into anyone's lifestyle. Anyone, regardless of experience, can replicate this. It's accessible to both beginners and seasoned investors. Set up, step back, and let the system do the heavy lifting. It's designed to be as hands-off as possible. That's the power of smart, automated investing. It allows you to focus on other aspects of your life while your investments grow. Passive income is closer than you think. With the right tools, anyone can achieve financial freedom. When I first started out, I thought the smartest move was to simply copy the trades of one top-performing trader. It seemed logical. Why not just follow someone who's already proven themselves? But after a few ups and downs, I quickly learned a classic lesson. Never put all your eggs in one basket, especially when it comes to investing. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's the foundation of smart risk management. By spreading your investments, you reduce the impact of any single loss. That's why I decided to allocate my funds across 6 different traders, each with their own unique style and strategy. Even the most skilled traders can have off days or hit a rough patch. If you're only following one, their bad luck becomes your problem too. By diversifying, you create a safety net. When one trader stumbles, others can help keep your portfolio steady and on track. I made sure to choose traders who showed consistent, long-term results, not just those with a few lucky wins or sudden spikes. Some of my picks were aggressive, chasing big gains, while others were more conservative and focused on steady growth. This mix helped balance out my overall risk. Of course, not every trader I picked was a winner, but the strong performers more than made up for the weaker ones, keeping my returns positive overall. The real secret isn't about finding one perfect trader. It's about building a team of traders who can win together, supporting each other through the market's ups and downs. That's how you transform unpredictable volatility into steady, reliable gains over time. And why relying on just one trader is never enough. Let's break down the numbers. Out of 6 traders, 2 lost money, one by $180, another by $95. It's normal to see red sometimes, but don't panic. The other 4 traders more than made up for it. One star brought in $750, others added $450, $380, and $185. Their combined profits easily outweighed the losses. You don't need every trader to win, just enough winners to cover the losers. The goal isn't perfection, but a strong average. My final tally, $1,190 profit. This approach removes the pressure to be right every time. Build a solid team and let the numbers work in your favor. Think of copy trading like managing a sports team. You're not out there making every play yourself. Instead, you're building a team of skilled players who can deliver results for you. Your job isn't to play, it's to assemble a winning roster. Just like a coach, you need to pick the right mix of talent, experience, and consistency to give your team the best shot at success. Scout traders on Pocket Option look for those who show steady, reliable results over time, not just the ones who top the charts for a week. Dig into their stats, trading style, and risk management. Start with 4 to 6 traders for balance. This gives you enough diversity to spread risk, but not so many that you lose track of performance. Let your team play for a week or two, then review their performance. Watch how each trader handles both wins and losses, and see who stands out. Cut the underperformers, keep the winners, and recruit new talent as needed. Don't be afraid to make changes. Your lineup should always reflect who's performing best. This cycle of monitoring and adjusting keeps your team strong. Regular check-ins help you spot trends and make smarter decisions. Don't get emotional about a bad week. Focus on long-term results. Even the best teams have off days, but what matters is their overall track record. The sports team method is about constant improvement. Encourage growth, learn from mistakes, and always look for ways to strengthen your lineup. Keep refining your lineup to maximize profits. Treat every adjustment as a strategic move, not a reaction to short-term noise. You're the manager. Let the pros do the heavy lifting. Trust your process and focus on making high-level decisions. This simple, repeatable process is the key to consistent gains. Stay strategic, not reactive, and you'll build a team that wins over the long run. That's how you win in copy trading. By thinking like a manager, not a player, and always striving for improvement. How much work does copy trading really take? After setup, it's about 10 minutes a week. Once a week, log in, review your trader's performance, and make quick adjustments. If someone's losing, stop copying them. Takes seconds. Replace them with new prospects. Just a few clicks. The rest of the time, your account runs on autopilot. You can work, relax, or sleep while trades happen in the background. This is true passive income, minimal effort, ongoing results. It's accessible for anyone, no matter how busy you are. The system works for you, not the other way around. That's what makes copy trading so powerful. Copy trading works because you're leveraging expert skill, not just your own money. The pros you copy have spent years mastering the markets. You skip the steep learning curve and benefit from their experience instantly. Their incentives are aligned with yours. They only profit when you do. This democratizes access to high-level trading. For a small deposit, you tap into global expertise. You're not just copying trades, you're leveraging a world of talent. My $1,290 week isn't a fantasy. It's a real repeatable result. You don't need special skills, just a smart system. Diversify, monitor, and refine. The opportunity is right in front of you. Sign up for Pocket Option, use a promo link for a 50% bonus, and fund your account. Build your team of 4 to 6 traders and let the system run. Review and adjust weekly. It's that simple. You could be earning passive income in less than 30 minutes from now. Every day you wait is a day of potential earnings lost. Take control of your financial future. Start your passive income journey today. The first step is yours to take.